Today, we'll show you how to create a course for your inReach Mini 3 series satellite communicator. This allows your inReach device to route you on a specific path. This is ideal for hiking, mountain biking, off-road driving, and similar activities. It is best to download topoactive maps in the Garmin Explore app and ensure that your inReach device is paired with the app before creating a course. For instructions, see our video on pairing an inReach Mini 3 series device to the Garmin Explore app. First, we'll create the course. Open the Garmin Explore app and select the plus icon at the bottom right of the Map tab. Then select Create Course. Tap the map to create a starting point. Tap a second location on the map to create a course line. Continue adding points to the course as needed. Courses are limited to 250 points. Courses with 50 points or fewer can be recalculated during navigation. You can give a course point a name or unique icon. To do this, tap on a point. Then select Name Point. Make your changes and select Save. To delete a course point, tap one. Then select Delete Point. To undo any action, select the Undo icon. To move a point, press and hold one. Then drag the point to a location. Now release the point. To alter the course, press and hold the course line. Drag it to a new position, then release. A new point will be created where you release. You can change the routing type and other settings by selecting the routing type icon. Toggling direct routing on will cause a straight line to be drawn between points. Selecting a different routing type calculates the course for your chosen activity. Toggling popularity routing on creates the course based on popular routes, streets, and trails used by other Garmin users. You can also change the routing type from this menu. Select the X when finished. Direct routing can be toggled on and off from the course creation page by tapping the direct routing icon. When you're done creating your course, select Save. Here, you can change the name or color of your course. Select Done when finished. The course is now ready to be synced to your inReach Mini 3 series device. When the Garmin Explore app is opened or refreshed, it automatically syncs with paired devices that are powered on and in range. It's also possible to manually sync with the device. Tap the Devices tab. Select your inReach Mini 3 series device. Then tap the sync icon. Wait for the sync to complete. There are a few ways to find the saved course after syncing. From the home page of your inReach Mini 3 device, select Start Activity. Tap Navigation. Then select Saved. You can also scroll down from the home page to More Apps. Select Saved. You can even press and hold the back button to access the action menu. Select Navigate, then tap Saved. From the saved list, select a course, then select Navigate. Finally, select Start. When you begin navigation, a map will be displayed with a magenta line showing the course you need to follow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.